check. Okay, I don't know. Unboxing. Okay. No, there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess. Let's check. Okay. What is inside? Okay. Ini mah guntingnya juga mintul. Wait ya. Unboxing. Aduh. What? What is this? What is this? All in China. No. All in Chinese language. I don't know. All in Chinese language. See? What is this? What? I buy it for. What is this? Oh no, it's jumping. Take it, book. Thank you. What is this? No, be careful. Tuh, see? And this is for self spraying. Ini buat anti ini nih, apa anti bocor. For the roof. It will stop the leak. It will stop the leak. But how to use it? All in Chinese. Oh no, ada Inggrisnya tuh. Oke, boleh. Sip. Tes. 1, 2. And then this one is totally is 4. Less. 4. Just for prepare. Ntar kalau ada bocor, tinggal disemprot aja. Trut. Habis capek lah ngulis, anak semprot lah. Mudah-mudahan aja berhasil. Soalnya ngecek di YouTube, katanya sih bisa. By the way, ini warnanya apa? Mana? There is no information about color. See? No information about color. What color is this? What color is this? I see that in commercial break, black, white, and transparent, and gray too. But what color is this? So look at that. Self-spraying waterproof leak filling spray. Let's try it better.